you. Man. Alright, but we're very, very happy, obviously, na nandito ka and you're with us.
Thank you.
Right off the bat, I'm sure you're very excited. Talk to us. How does it feel that you're now Taiwan Excellence's brand new celebrity endorser dito sa Pilipinas?
Of course, when they asked me to be part of this campaign, I easily agreed. Bakit naman hindi, di ba? Because I want to serve as the bridge between Taiwan Excellence endorsed products and Filipino consumers. That's why I'm very happy, thankful, and honored to be part of the 2015 Taiwan Excellence campaign. At syempre, I'm excited to experience their products.
And everybody else is very, very excited that you're now part of the campaign. What exactly can we expect from you from this campaign, Taiwan Excellence and Mahas Salvador?
Well, Nico, wala kang choice. You will able to get to see me more in the upcoming events, and we also have mall shows where they can get a chance to experience the products. And this year, we will also have Taiwan Excellence Made to Enjoy Singing Contest, because we Filipinos love to sing, di ba? So, ikaw, Nico, pwede ka sumali, and everyone here, I hope you all decide to join.
I'll definitely lose for sure, but if you volunteer singing lessons, then no problem, I'll sign up right away. Obviously, this is one of the more exciting parts of the campaign this year. Ito ang Taiwan Excellence Made to Enjoy Singing Contest. Talk to
video of themselves singing, and you can go to our official contest website, www.madetoenjoysinging.ph.
That's right. Up for grabs, 50,000 pesos, Kimco motorcycle, very exciting. And we have to get the ball rolling somehow. We have to get an official first registrant for the Taiwan Excellence Made to Enjoy Singing Contest. I would love to do it, pero sure talo ko eh. But, you know, we want someone with a shot at winning it. So if you would do us the honor of being the first to sign up. See, we have everything ready for you. All you have to do is sign it for us.